everybody, Ali Akbarian from Mobility Engineering, here today to talk to you about a wonderful innovative system used to secure wheelchairs in vehicles while transporting. It's a docking station, which there is quite a few docking stations or docking systems on the market, but this is probably one of the best ones that we've seen around, and one of the most unique ones and one of the most versatile ones at the same time. And then we also think it then becomes one of the safest ones on the market. So this product is called the Dahl engineering dock. You can have a look at this product here. It basically sits on the floor. What the dock does is it eliminates the need for the wheelchair tie-down restraint strap system. So instead of using that strap to tie the wheelchair down, I can use the dock. What we've got on this wheelchair, which is supplied by our friends at Sunrise Medical, is there is effectively a male attachment to the female attachment, which is the part on the vehicle. This, which I'll show you at the end of the video, basically you sit on the wheelchair, you drive it straight on, you lock it in, the male attachment that's been bolted to the wheelchair underneath just slides straight in, and the indicator indicates to you that you're locked in place, and once you're locked in place, then you're safe to transport. It also allows for a lot more independence with the user, able to self-manage the locking and unlocking, but also allows for emergency backup as well. So this system is a full electronic system, but you can have there is an emergency backup lever there, so if all the electronics fail, you just pull the lever and you can undo the wheelchair. In addition, the button which you can see over there, that would be installed somewhere in the vehicle. We've actually got one installed in a vehicle, and I'll show you at the end of this video, but because it's quite small and dark in that vehicle, it's easier to show you outside. So those little button remote controls, you can also have them installed, for example, at the front of the vehicle as a backup, so if someone needs to release you and you can't release yourself, they can do it separately, independently from the front. So let's just get on and have a quick look at how this product works. So, as I said, on the bottom of this wheelchair is a male attachment to the female attachment. What happens is, I would be in a vehicle, in the back of a vehicle, in the back of a van or a wheelchair accessible vehicle like a Caddy or a Kia or something like that, and I'd effectively push myself over to the dock. I can effectively self-manage. I need to be relatively center, but if I'm not, the product does have a very good ability to self-center itself. And then what you'll hear is, as I go on to the product, it will start to beep at me to tell me I'm sort of there, I'm on the right track, but then it will then let me know when I'm fully engaged and locked, and it'll actually engage with the light there. So as I move forward like so, now it's beeping, now it's locked. So we're fully locked in place. I can't move my wheelchair backwards or forwards, no matter how much I turn wheels and things. I'm trying to move myself. I'm very, very securely locked in place. I don't need those wheelchair tie-down straps, and I have the ability to unlock myself or lock myself back in. So if I need to unlock myself, I have a button here on the side. I just push the button, it unlocks me, it beeps to say I'm ready to leave, and basically I just remove myself out of the dock, and I can remove myself out of the vehicle. To show you what this system looks like on the underside, you might need to, I'll just move this out of the way. You might need to just peer underneath, but I'll tilt this wheelchair up, and you can see there is a metal attachment that sits underneath your vehicle, underneath your wheelchair, sorry. And another wonderful thing about the Dahl system is that it is a very slimline system. So with traditional docks, you've got a pin that would come out or a pin that would be installed. And that pin is traditionally a bit of a pain because it can hook into things on the street, and hook onto things and cause you to trip over. So this is a nice slimline design which allows things to deflect off it. So it's a very, very wonderful design, and it just bolts straight into the vehicle, into the wheelchair, and it actually has pre-drilled holes in all of the high-level manufacturers of wheelchairs. So for example, Sunrise Medical comes with pre-drilled holes for Dahl docks, same with Permobiles and same with all the other brands. All right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go show you quickly how this product looks inside a vehicle, and then you'll see the whole thing. Okay, so here we are back in the back of the vehicle, and you can see, I guess, the Dahl system that is installed live in situ and how it would look and how it would feel in the back of the vehicle. So we have a wheelchair accessible vehicle with a cutout. This is fitted to the floor, and in the back, the button is over here, the release button. So this release button has been positioned there, so it allows the occupant to be able to hold it, but also a carer to be able to reach it as well. So it's kind of like a halfway trying to meet between the two. And yeah, that's basically how it looks in the back of a product. So thanks very much for tuning in, and that is the Dahl Engineering Docking System.